Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Case of dowry harassment and attempt to murder has been registered under section 498A, 341, 323, 325, 307, 379, 427, 504, 34, 3/4 DP Act in the Shayak Police Station of Katihar district of Bihar against the great teacher Neetu Datta, working in a famous St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School, Asoka Venue, located in famous Chitranjan Locomotive Workshop Township of West Bengal under Paschim Bardhaman district. 22 years old Rusha Kaveri, daughter of Vijay Bhatia and Anju Devi, has filed a case and told that her husband Amit Kumar, working as an assistant manager in KPMG Symbiosis Center for Information Technology, Noida, rapidly beats up and keeps her hungry and thirsty, and also locked in the room for many hours. Ruisha Kaveri has also alleged in her application that an attempt was made to burn her alive with the intention of killing her, and an attempt was also made to throw her from the 16-story building. Their marriage took place on 11 December 2020 according to Hindu custom, and Ruisha Kaveri father Vijaya Bhatia gave 11 lakh cash and jewelry, furniture and other items worth rupees 5 lakh. Rapidly, a car or 10 lakh rupees being demanded, which Ruisha's father is unable to give. Ruisha's right hand was fractured by Amit Kumar in Noida residence itself. Ruisha has also complained of assault and domestic violence with Noida police many times, and husband Amit was released by police station after writing affidavits. Police have registered a case number 485/21 and started the search for Ruisha's husband Amit Kumar, father-in-law Sivlal Rajak, mother-in-law Rajni Devi, and sister-in-law Neetu Datta. All are absconding. It is necessary to mention here that it is the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, Neetu Datta, who was not yet completed her evidence in the Honorable Court of Asansol by filing a false case of 498A and attempt to murder against to St. Joseph Convent teacher Neetu Datta several times to provide her own evidence. In this case, arrest warrant was also issued, and still arrest warrant is issued against convent teacher Neetu Datta for giving evidence in case number 335 SC, but she is also neglecting for testimony and doesn't appear in court. Neetu Datta, a blind supporter of her brother-in-law Mahendra Narendra Prasad, follows the guidelines. It is very important to mention there that there is already a complaint registered against Siv Lal Rajak, son of late Doman Rajak, who is a resident of Albert Road East Colony Police Station, Jamalpur District, Munger, behind Baptist Church. Sivlal Rajak was working as an assistant manager in Central Bank of India, Jamalpur, and Munger, as well as Chief OS in Jamalpur Eastern Railway Locomotive Workshop, Jamalpur, and it is taking benefit of pension from both the place. Later in the investigation done by the police, it was found that by editing the same educational certificate, the date of birth has been made 4 March 1951 in educational certificate of brother whose name is known as to Ramchandra Rajak in the market, and the locality retired the Eastern Railway Locomotive Workshop, Jamalpur, in the same certificate 4 March 1953. is mentioned, on the basis of which another brother has retired from Central Bank of India. The people of the society are slowly starting to recognize such a great personality of Jamalpur city under the Munger district of Bihar. On the one hand, Shivlal Rajak and family tout their daughter Neetu Datta to ruin her husband's life in the desire of greed and lust for brother-in-law, and on the other hand, his son Amit was also tout to ruin the life of another daughter in the wake of greed, lust, and luxurious life. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. District and Senior Judge Ramesh Kumar Pradhan of Purulia District Court on Tuesday sentenced to accused Sanatan Thakur and Mangala Goswami, the mother of the infant girl, to death in the case of stabbing a baby girl to death. Retired Home Guard Sanatan Thakur and the child's mother Mangala Goswami were accused of brutally murdering a 3.5-year-old girl on July 11, 2017, nearly 4 years ago. The incident, which took place in Noida village of Purulia, Mofasal police station, had created a sensation in the entire state as well as entire country. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Asansol meeting chaired by Bacharam Manna, Minister of State for Labour, regarding sponge iron and worship bonus of worker of various factories located in different districts of South Bengal. Apart from the official of the Labour Department, representative of various factories, INTTUC State President Raita Bharto Banerjee was also present during the meeting. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Food Safety Officer of Manbajar 1 Block and Manbajar, the Collective Development Officer of Block 1, once again launched a campaign in food and beverage shops, sweet shops and hostels in Manbajar. According to the blocks and administration sources, complaints have been coming for several days that some sweet shops in the Manbajar city are not following the food safety instructions. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830-285/700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. And after the government tightened its grip on the sand business, the condition of the worker and their families has also deteriorated. To draw the government attention to these ordinary working families, Sadan Pal, former councillor of Ward number 103 of the Municipal Corporation, distributed food items among 50 families in Hathinal Danga, Pada of the ward number on Tuesday. Expert says that condition of ordinary working family has deteriorated due to the closure of work due to corona. Meanwhile, the worker engaged in the work of illegal sand trade in this area have also become financially deprived due to the ban on sand trade. In this case, Sadan Pal, former councillor of ward number 103, appreciated and ban on illegal trade of sand, but the working families making a living from this work has dependent. The situation is that they have been forced to eat only once instead of 2 or 3 times. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Asansol A.K. Paria, Food Safety Officer, Railway, Asansol Division, New Delhi, Silyalda, Rajdhani Express administrated oath to the food vendors and personals of Pantry car of New Delhi, Sialda Rajdhani Express that they will reduce the use of plastic, especially single use of plastic will not be used as much as there is one plastic in the moving train. You will use the food in 10 different days for the right food, and at the same time you will make the passenger aware that you should reduce the use of plastic and also make your family and neighbor aware. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Tuesday on behalf of All India Loco Running Staff Association AILRCA SA Eastern Railway Asansol Division, a hunger strike was also held in front of Asansol DRM office in support of various demands. Central Committee member R. Bhagat, Divisional Executive Secretary R.K. Singh, Asansol Branch President P.K. Singh, Andal Branch President Pawan Kumar Gopal Prasad Sarma and other members of the organization were present on the occasion. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Registration of Aadhaar card of school children in the state now getting started. Aadhaar will be registered by DI or school inspector on emergency basis. Starting a pilot project with Aadhaar in the state from October 1. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Municipality organized a training camp for ASHA worker on vaccine. 345 ASHA worker of Asansol Municipality were present in this training camp on Tuesday. Through this training camp, an initiative has been taken to fulfill the target of vaccination in the next municipal area. Therefore, ASHA workers will go door to door in coming days to find out whether people have been vaccinated. In this regard, Dr. Deepak Ganguly, Health Officer, Asansol Municipality, said that in order to ensure that everyone gets the vaccine in proper manner. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Ganj on Monday evening against the policies of the central government and the price hike of petrol, diesel and cooking gas. On behalf of Trinamool Youth Congress, a procession was taken out under the leadership of TMC leader Sadan Kumar Singh. On behalf of Ward Committee number 34, the procession passed through many other areas including Sarasol, Rajpadi. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of train in Jhansi division due to duplication work. The following arrangement has been made for the movement of the following train due to non-interlocking work of duplication work in Jhansi division between Asansol, Chaura, Pokhana, Malsa station. Cancellation 01106 Jhansi Kolkata special running on 24 September 2021, 10:01:05 Kolkata Jhansi special running on 26 September 2021. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Purulia September 21 additional district and season judges. Second Court of Purulia District Court Ramesh Kumar acquitted Subhajit Mahato on Tuesday after 3 years and 10 months as the main charges were not proved. Incidentally, in November 2021, Subhajit Mahato, a resident of Chasmore area, was arrested on charge of drug trafficking (MBPS). Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Moment. Never give up. Your victory is right around the corner.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.